There you go. Oh, that's disgusting. That was weak. Then do a big one, Cassandra. Hurry.
Whatever.
No, like a burp.
Oh.
Don't say anything.